If your crypto portfolio still seems stressful, even after buying what seem to be good coins, there's a good chance that you are making a few mistakes that are quietly keeping beginners stuck. Hey, this is Colin. I help beginners cut through all the hype and learn how to build real crypto wealth using simple macro strategies and a conviction-based portfolio. In the last video, we talked about the first step in cleaning up a random portfolio. But even if you started organizing your your crypto portfolio, there are still some common mistakes that keep your crypto portfolio messy, emotional, and hard to manage. So in this video, I want to walk you through some of the biggest ones. And I know these are real because I've made these same mistakes. A lot of people think that a crypto portfolio confusion means that they need more information, more coin ideas, or better picks. But often the real issue is that they're repeating bad portfolio habits and they're not even realizing it. So let's get into it. The first mistake is buying coins before building a portfolio structure. This is one of the biggest ones. A lot of beginners start by asking, what should I buy? Before asking, what kind of a portfolio should I build? And that leads to random positions, weak conviction, and a portfolio that feels like a random pile of coins instead of a real plan. The second mistake is treating every coin like it deserves equal conviction. Not every coin should carry the equal or the same weight in your portfolio or in your mind. Some assets may be foundation, some may be a growth position, and some may just be speculation. When everything gets treated the same, your clarity disappears and your risk usually gets worse. The third mistake is buying from hype and not from understanding. If the main reason why you bought something is because somebody online sounded really excited about it, that's usually a warning sign. Hype can grab your attention, but it cannot give you conviction. And when the market pulls back, hype disappears fast. That's when people panic, second guessing everything, and start making emotional decisions. The fourth mistake is holding too many coins. A lot of beginners think that more coins equal more opportunity, but most of the time it just creates more clutter. Too many positions just make it too hard to track what you have, harder to know what you believe in, and harder to manage your risk as well. More is not always better. Sometimes more is just more confusing. And the fifth mistake is having no written reason why you own something. This one's huge. If you can't explain why a coin is in your portfolio, what role it plays, and what makes you want to hold it or reduce it, then that position is probably more emotional than strategic. And this is probably one of the biggest reasons why portfolios feel random. And that's exactly why I created the free crypto checklist for beginners. It's there to help you think through these decisions more clearly so that you can stop building a portfolio built on hype, randomness, and guesswork. I'll link it below. And the mindset shift that I want to leave you with, a better crypto portfolio does not start with finding better coin picks. It starts with making fewer mistakes and building with better structure. Because when you reduce these mistakes, everything gets easier. It gets easier to understand what you hold, easier to manage risk, easier to stay calm, and easier to build conviction over time. And now in the next video, I want to show you what this starts to look like when it gets more clear. We're going to look at a proof style example of how moving from a random portfolio mindset to a more structured approach changes the way you think and build. Watch this one next.